Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to insert the shoulder strap correctly in your heavy DSLR camera. These cameras are pretty heavy, they weigh over 3 pounds, and if you insert the strap incorrectly, it could loosen, fall down and damage your camera. Now it appears to be something very simple that everybody should know how to do, but believe it or not, it's a little more complex than you think, and there are a lot of people who are doing it incorrectly, which will lead to their camera dropping and getting damaged. So here is how we do it correctly. Normally when you get the strap, these already come pre-installed from factory, but assuming that this is no longer installed from factory and you don't have it in there, how do you do it? Each side has a little square hole organizer and a actual grip. Each one is inserted based on the type of camera you have and the type of strap you have. Now notice this is just to organize the tip of this, and you have the choice to install this first or after. That's up to you. But this is important because it goes in one way. If you put it reverse, it's not going to work. So now I'm going to teach you how it is the correct way to put it. Now if you notice right here, one side of this is smooth, the other side has lines. The side that has lines and it also says Canon on it, or whatever brand you have, that's the side that will match the printing on this. So the Canon matches Canon, and this is how this will go. And here is how you insert this. You take your strap and then you put it through here first, and then turns around and goes right here like that. Goes in like that. Extend it a little bit. Extend it maybe to leave like me, depending how long you want the strap to be on your shoulders. So put it somewhere roughly in the middle area. You can adjust it later. After that, put this. Now like I said, this could go before or after. It doesn't matter. It depends which one is better for you. Now what you want to do, actually most people, if you don't want the tip of this to be moving around, then this is good to put this first. Let me do that actually. I'm gonna put this first because it's much more organizable if you put it first. Okay, now what we want to do, now that we have it set up like this, we want to insert from outside in, not from inside out, from outside in, like this. We want to go like this. Okay, you see that? That's how we want to go. Now we have to enter it from the bottom of this. So how do we do this? It's not easy. See, if you try to put it in, it doesn't go in. So this is how we do it. We bring this like that. Okay, and then you insert this. After you insert this, you extend it and then twist it. And let's see, I don't know if you can see that, like that, and take it out like this. And now this is not moving anywhere. And see, when I said to put this in first, this is why. Now I can organize that by locking it in like this. The same thing on the other side. This is the other side. Now this is a little holder. As you know, this is the camera remote holder, the SD card holder. This is like a holder, accessory holder. So you leave that there, and let's see. Make sure this is already inserted correctly. The writing matches the top. So what do? We insert it from bottom up like this, and then we come here and make sure this is like that. As you can see, like this. See how that is? Now it will go back in on this side. There. Now you could bring this as your organizer if you want to, or you could have one more of these on that side. Okay, so now this is ready to go. As you can see, it's all good to go, and the camera is not falling or dropping, and basically it's not going anywhere. Let me zoom out and show you how strong this is. There. See how strong that is? It's not going anywhere. And this is a Canon 5D Mark II, which is one of the very heavy cameras. Now there are a couple of other ones that are heavier than this, but with this lens, we're talking a lot of weight. So that's how you do it properly without damaging your camera or dropping your camera. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.